Hello friends, welcome to examples related to new 7 tools series. We have already seen two tools, affinity diagram and relations diagram. In this we are going to see the third tool, systematic diagram or tree diagram. So here again we are going to understand new 7 tools deeply through one example each. So accordingly each tool is explained clearly with one example. Let us recall our learning on systematic diagram. Systematic diagram is a technique developed to search for the most appropriate. So that means which are very relevant and effective means. If they are deployed, the results will be achieved. That's what effective means of accomplishing given objectives or targets. So if you want to achieve a target, how can we deploy it? How can we break it into small targets and deploy to various people or various resources? That is the purpose of systematic diagram. So, as the name suggests, the systematic diagram is a visual presentation of means how to achieve a goal. So, the goal is there, how to break it, and then how to deploy it through various people. So, it's for achieving the goals, and we break it into several means, and it is deployed in a cascading sequence. How we are cascading it? So the goals are divided into means that goes to some section, and again it becomes a goal there, and again divided, again it is deployed, and it becomes a means. So in other words, the goals are achieved into various branches and arranged as a tree. Like the tree is having a lot of branches and sub branches. Hence, we also call systematic diagram as a tree diagram. So, systematic diagram and tree diagram are one and the same. It is a most useful tool in breaking down broad problems. Suppose if the problem is very big, we break that into small chunks, and those chunks will become specific executable details. So at the lowest level of the fundamental, means represent a set of assignable options. So at the end of the tree diagram, the goals will become set of assignable options or assignable actions which can be prioritized, and if they are executed, and the final goal can be achieved. That is the purpose of tree diagram. So we are showing with an example. So schematic below shows the cascading sequence of organizational goals from CEO to various level of the organization. How? Through a tree diagram. So CEO's goals are defined. That is divided into various means, and that becomes the goal to the next level. Say for example from CEO to vice president, and that goals are again divided into various means and again deployed to the next level as a goal, for example general manager, and from there again they are divided into various means, various goals, and they are deployed as next level goals, say for example section head, section manager, and from there again they are divided into executable actions, and they are divided into various individuals. So, in other words, we see a cascading of the sequence. This is the broad goal, and next level goal, and from there another next level goal, and next level goal. Finally, it becomes action plans. So, we see a cascading sequence. That is the power of tree diagram. In other words, this is the root, and these are all the branches of the tree. Let us understand tree diagram with an example. So, this is the background. Tree diagram is widely used tool in policy management process. Many organizations, they follow policy management process to deploy the organizational goals into departmental goals and sectional goals and individual goals. So this is a very important tool used in policy management process to deploy the most important organizational goals, that is goals of the CEO to various functions, to various sections, from there to various individuals. So cascading of organizational goals from CEO is happening through a tree diagram, from CEO to functional level, from there to sectional level, and from there to individual level. So let us see one example. So organization following policy management process deploy the company goals to functional heads. From there, goals are cascaded to section and individuals, and so on through tree diagram. So here, the company goals, they are here. So the tree diagram shows the deployment of organizational goals, function goals, and sectional goals. So here the function, what we are going to see is research and development. So what is the organizational goal? Organizational goal number 3 says increase export sales from new products. So there should be a measure. So what is the measure? Potential purchase orders, rupees 27 crores, and sales to be realized 9 crores. So this is the organizational goal. So that has to be deployed to the research and development function. So what is the functional goal? The cascaded functional goal from organizational goal is 3A, design and develop new product. You see the number 3 is a company goal, and when it goes to the function, it becomes 3A. So what the functional goal of R&D, they have to design number of new products. So 9 products they have to design to meet this potential purchase orders and sales. Okay, how this is deployed to the next level or sections? Here, these are all the sectional goals. So the 3A is divided into 3A, what? Design and develop new products. So number of new products 9. You see this goal and this goal are same. Sometimes in tree diagram, functional goal also may become equal to sectional goal. In other words, the sections are sharing the functional goal. That is the meaning. What is 3A? To develop test facilities and add capacity. Number of new facilities to be added is 6. Number of additional facilities to be created is 3. 3A3, implement part validation for new BNU, bottleneck engineering parts. Number of parts 5. So these are all the cascaded means or action plans to the sectional level. So this is the complete tree diagram where the organizational goal is deployed to functional level, from there cascaded to sectional levels. How do we interpret organizational goal is to increase export sales through new products? So the above goal has been deployed to R&D function, and that function has to design and develop new products to achieve the above goal. The cascaded goal from organization head of head of R&D has been cascaded to product design function or section, or product verification and validation sections. Though the next level cascading is not shown here, we have not shown the next level cascading. Product design groups and the testing groups have been deployed individual goals for product design, development, verification and validation. Thus, the tree diagram is an apt tool, very relevant tool for most appropriate and effective means of accomplishing given objectives or targets. That is the power of tree diagram. Thank you for your active participation.